Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the online video classes. This video is of Environmental Studies for Class 2. In this video, we are going to do the revision of chapter number 15. In the previous video, we have revised chapter number 14. Now, we are going to revise the chapter number 15. Time, space and direction, and then in the end we will have a short revision test. This video is prepared by your EVS teacher Deepa Singh. So let us go through the chapter and revise and prepare this chapter for the test. Let us see the chapter. And the first word is direction. What is a direction? The course that is taken by us to go from one place to another is called direction. So when we go from one place to another, and the course which we take is known as direction. There are four main directions. As on the screen you can see the diagram of the directions. In it, four main directions are there, that are east, west, south and north. And other than this, sub-directions are there. Between north and east, it is northeast. Then between south and east, it is southeast. Then between south and west, it is southwest. And between west and north, it is northwest. Next we have is compass. On the screen you can see the picture of the compass. Compass is an instrument that shows the direction. If we will put the compass in whatever will be the direction, that compass will show us the same direction. Then next is directions. In the picture you can see that one boy is standing facing the sun. He is facing the rising sun. So sun is just rising in the picture, and this boy which is in the picture is looking at the rising sun, and the rising sun is in the east. So this boy is facing the east direction. Then the sun sets in the west, and west is at the back of this boy. So west direction is at the back of the boy. Then his left hand points towards the north. Then towards the north, this boy where he is standing, his left hand shows the north direction and right hand towards the south. And right hand shows the south direction. In this way, the different directions are there. The boy facing the east, then at the back of him is west, to the left hand is the north, and towards the right hand is the south. In this way, four directions are there: east, west, north and south. Then is map. You all must be knowing about the map. What is a map? A map is a drawing of a place usually drawn on a flat surface. Map, as we draw the drawings of the different things in the same way. The drawing of the place is map. On the map also we can see the four directions: north, south, east, west. In this way we have different directions on the map. Then comes the time. Time, what does the thing which tell us the time called? It is called clock. So our clock tells us the time. Our day begins with the sunrise. This time of the day is called morning. So in the morning, when there is sunrise, then we get up and it is a new day and it is morning time. When the sun is above our head, we call it midday or noon, that is 12 o'clock. And when the time after 12 o'clock is called afternoon. So morning time, then we have the midday or the noon time, and after that we have the afternoon time. Then a fact. And the fact is that the sun does not move. It is the earth that moves, due to which it appears as if the sun is rising or setting. The sun begins to set in the evening. Slowly it begins to turn dark and it is night. So sun, as you know, that it begins to set in the evening time, and slowly and gradually the sun sets completely and it is dark all around and it is night time. The period of the time from sunrise to sunset is called a day. All of you know that from the morning when the sun rises until the evening when the sun sets, it is called as day. The period of the time from sunset to sunrise is called a night. There are 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Let us see a table in which we have the different things like 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 7 days is equal to 1 week. 14 days is also called 1 fortnight. 30 days is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 365 days is equal to 1 year. 10 years is also known as 1 decade, and 100 years is called as 1 century. Then we use a clock or a watch to say the time. A watch tells us the time in hours, minutes, and seconds. We have different types of clock like wrist watch, which we wear on our hands to show us the time. Then we have wall clock, which we put on the walls and see the time. Then we have the digital clock, which have the different features. In this way, we have the different types of clock. So children, in this chapter, we have studied about the different things. I hope you all must have enjoyed the class. That's all for today's class. So students, we have revised the chapter. Now here is a short revision test for you. You have to do this test in your EVS copy and you will also write down the questions. So first is, what is a direction? to copy down the question and then write down the answer. What is our direction? Second one, what are four main directions? Then third one, how does clock help us? Fourth question is, a clock tell us the weather or time? Two options are there, weather or time. You have to choose the correct one. Then question number 5, 7 days is the same as 1 month or 1 week. You have to choose the correct answer, whether it is 1 month or 1 week. So this is the short revision test of chapter number 15 and you have to do in your EVS copy. So that's all for the today's video. So we have completed our revision of the EVS. With this, we come to the end of the video. Thank you and have a nice day.